Hey everyone, this is CIO back again after a long break, and today we will check out a leaked video of Huawei Nova 8 Pro's unboxing clip spotted on Chinese social media. So let's begin with the unpacking experience. The box is really simple looking, and when you will remove the lid, the first thing you will get is the phone itself, the Nova 8 Pro, the latest mid-ranger by Huawei. Moving further, there are some documentations, a Type-C cable, standard headphones, a dongle, and the charger itself. What's really special with this charger is that it is a 66 watt charger and it is really super quick. With this you can expect your phone getting full charge within half an hour. So here's the phone itself, the Nova 8 Pro, and the most striking thing about this device is its design, which I think is inspired from devices by Samsung. Since it has kind of a boxy looking design along with a slight curved panel, everything looks great in this phone. The back area is also really fancy. The shape of camera module is really unique and it does look really beautiful. Along with the Nova 8 Pro, the Nova 8 will also going to be there, and unlike the Nova 8 Pro, it has a single punch hole cutout on the top middle of the display. This phone is going to be officially announced on 23rd of December, so yet it is not an official phone. The pricing details of both this device will be there in description on tomorrow. One of the key highlights here is its display, which is really impressive. The phone has a 6.72-inch OLED panel with a custom Full HD Plus resolution. The display has curved edges which looks quite premium. Also, it has support for 120Hz screen refresh rate, which is damn quick. So 120Hz refresh rate and an OLED panel is really something very amazing. At the top left corner of the display is a pill-shaped cutout that features a 32-megapixel main selfie camera and a 16-megapixel secondary lens. Coming to the specs, the Kirin 985 chipset powers the Nova 8 and the Nova 8 Pro smartphones, which is really a great chip, probably the most powerful mid-range processor. It is even powerful than Snapdragon 765G or any other Qualcomm mid-range processor. Though it's not a flagship chip but very close to it. Both the phones carry support for 66 watt fast charging, while the Nova 8 has a 3700 mAh rated battery, while the Pro gets a bigger 3900 mAh of battery. They both has EMUI with the latest version of Android. So that's it for the specs. The back panel of the phone has a quad camera system featuring a 64-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The same rear camera setup is available on the Nova 8. We will try to share some of its camera samples with you, but for that you have to subscribe us and remain stay tuned. That's all for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe everything in one if you haven't already, and as always, just keep watching and keep smiling.